If you're experiencing issues with Baldur's Gate 3 updates getting stuck, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause updates to stall. You can test your connection by browsing other websites or streaming content. Step 2. Restart the game client. Close the game client completely and restart it. This can refresh the update process and may resolve any temporary glitches that are causing the update to be stuck. Step 3. Clear cache. If you're using a game platform like Steam or GOG, try clearing the download cache. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that might be interfering with the update. Look for the option in the settings menu of the client. Step 4. Check for disk space. Ensure that you have enough disk space available on your device. Insufficient storage can prevent updates from downloading. Delete unnecessary files or uninstall unused applications to free up space. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Baldur's Gate 3. This can resolve any persistent issues with the game files and ensure you have the latest version installed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the update getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.